Hello and welcome to Synoptix Training. My name is Robbie Hilder, Director of Training with Synoptix Software, and today we are going to be reviewing the drill down functionality of Synoptix. Once we have built our report, in this case we have got a line item for fees with one column bringing in actual numbers and the next column bringing in budget numbers, we're then going to save and run our report. At runtime, we can choose any run date we would like. I'm using a demo database. Don't worry about the date here. We're going to focus on what's going on behind the scenes. The first numbers we're going to see here, what I like to call a high-level view. We can see that our actual fees were $884,000 for actuals and $9.9 million budgeted for the year. We can drill down by clicking on any of these numbers. The first level of drill down is going to open up a new window and show us all of the account numbers that make up, in this case, fees, what we refer to as an accounting zoom in. So here's a list of all of the numbers that made up our actuals and budget. This is the first level of drill down. We have two more levels that we can do. By clicking on any of these numbers, we're then going to be going down to the financial statement line item detail level. In this case, we are seeing specifically the enrollment fees for the comptroller's office. We're now going to click on the account number itself, which will take us down to the GL transaction detail level, which will give us a much more detailed view. In this case, things like the posting date, ledger ID, description, reference numbers, and breaking out all of the debits and credits. From any of these levels, we can export this data out to an Excel spreadsheet by clicking the XLS icon from either the GL transaction detail level, the financial statement line item detail level, or the accounting zoom in level. You will have these drill down capabilities in any report that you build, and we can also control access as far as who can and cannot drill down and what accounts they can drill down into. Thank you for joining us for today's drill down review. Please join us for future training sessions.